How to find someone location by phone number. If any day you would like to find anyone's location by their phone number but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you need to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, because for these methods you need a stable internet connection. After you check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, now you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now in the search icon, you have to search reverse phone lookup. After you tap reverse phone lookup, now you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option free reverse phone number lookup by Truecaller. After you tap on this like this, you can see that an interface like this will appear. Now here what you have to do is in the search for the phone number option, you can search any of the phone number like this. You also need to keep the code for this way. And after you tap on the very number here, you can go to the option of the search. And after you tap on the option of the search, now the very person will be shown here and the place of the person will be also shown in the very icon here with the name of the person. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.